The following segment is sponsored by Smith Injury Law and 300hurt.com.
After an auto accident, there are a lot of factors that might go into deciding whether you'll need legal representation. Well, did you realize an attorney in an auto accident case has the ability to negotiate a reduction in your medical bills? Attorney Richard Smith is here from Smith Injury Law to talk about it this morning. Hi, Richard.
Good morning, Margaret.
Well, if someone injured in an auto accident does not have an attorney, tell us what generally happens.
Basically, what happens is if you don't have health insurance, you can't be seen other than by the emergency room. And then after you're released from the emergency room or get your medical bills, they will offer you generally a 10% cash discount if you can pay them cash within like 60 days. And that's nothing like what we can obtain. Obviously, each case is different. We can get a much bigger reduction than that based on the facts of your case, if there's an issue with coverage or whatever.
Right. So if you're representing somebody after an auto accident case, you can get them seen by doctors that will not require them to pay out of pocket too.
That's correct. I mean, we work with different providers that will wait on the settlement to get paid. They're not going to ask you to pay out of your pocket. They understand that we have a system where not everybody has health insurance or has the means to pay out of pocket, and they understand how the liability system works.
And I think a lot of people don't realize this, but you can negotiate with medical providers to lower their bills. That's a big deal.
Absolutely. It happens all the time. If you go to your family doctor or anybody and you go there and your insurance company pays the claim, they pay a reduced rate because they have negotiated a reduced rate. It's the same kind of thing we do. They want to get paid from the settlement, and they'll reduce their bill to get the money at one time rather than rely on the individual to make payments, for example.
All right. Well, so really overall, the bottom line is that at Smith Injury Law, you can help people put more of their settlement into their pocket. What do you want to know about that and what it's like to work with Smith Injury Law?
Well, we always look at that situation on every case. We look at not only the total amount of the damages, we get the best possible settlement offer we can get, but we also then contact the providers and see what kind of reductions we can get so we can put as much money in the client's pocket as possible, because when it comes down to it, you're the one who got hurt, you're the one who has pain and suffering, and you shouldn't be settling your case if you can't receive fair compensation.
Well, your practice areas include personal injury, workers' compensation, car and truck collisions, and Social Security disability claims. Anything else you want people to know about your practice?
Basically, those are our main areas of concern. We've been doing this for over 30 years. And when you call our office, you get to talk to myself and my partner, Scott Becky. We handle the cases ourselves. We handle them with the help of our staff. We don't just turn everything over to our staff like some people do. We actually, talk to our clients. We inform the clients. And that's what we're here to do, to help you get the best results you can get from a very bad situation.
All right. Well, people love working with you. We hear it all the time. They can contact you by calling 300HURT or visiting 300hurt.com. Richard Smith, Smith Injury Law, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you, Margaret.